Once upon a time, deep within the human body, there lived a mighty hero named Heart. Heart's job was to keep the whole body full of energy and life by pumping blood. Heart had 4 chambers, 2 atria and 2 ventricles. The atria were like welcoming halls, and the ventricles were like powerful pumping stations. One bright day, the adventure began in the right atrium. The right atrium received blood from the body that was tired and low on oxygen. This blood came from 2 big veins called the superior vena cava and the inferior vena cava. "Come on in," said right atrium cheerfully. The tired blood flowed in and filled up the chamber. Right atrium then squeezed tight and sent the blood through a valve called the tricuspid valve into the right ventricle. The right ventricle, a strong and muscular part of heart, was ready for action. "Time to get some fresh oxygen," it said. With a powerful push, the right ventricle sent the blood through the pulmonary valve into the pulmonary arteries, which carried the blood to the lungs. In the lungs, the blood had a refreshing break. It picked up lots of oxygen and became bright red and full of energy. Now rejuvenated, the blood headed back to heart, entering through the pulmonary veins into the left atrium. "Welcome back," said left atrium, opening its doors wide. The blood happily flowed in, filling the chamber. Left atrium then squeezed and passed the blood through another valve called the mitral valve into the left ventricle. The left ventricle, the most powerful part of heart, knew it had the most important job. "Hold on tight, everyone," it roared. With a mighty squeeze, the left ventricle sent the oxygen-rich blood through the aortic valve into the aorta, the largest artery in the body. The blood zoomed out through the aorta, traveling through a network of arteries, arterioles, and capillaries, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every single cell in the body. The cells cheered and celebrated as they received their much-needed supplies. After giving away its oxygen and picking up waste products like carbon dioxide, the blood began its journey back to heart, traveling through veins to start the adventure all over again. And so, the heart's great adventure continued, day and night, tirelessly pumping life through the body, ensuring every cell stayed happy and healthy.